Introduction.
Today, I'm diving deep into the controversial claims about cucumbers causing cancer and memory loss. Can I handle the truth?
The appeal of cucumbers.
I'm sure many of you love cucumbers. Who doesn't? Crunchy, refreshing, and great in salads, sandwiches, and even as a snack on their own.
The controversial claims.
But what if I told you that those innocent-looking cucumbers might be linked to some pretty serious health issues? Cancer and memory loss, to be exact. Sounds crazy, right? But hear me out.
Cucurbitacin and cancer risk.
But the thing is, cucumbers contain a compound called cucurbitacins, which has been linked to some pretty nasty side effects. And get this, some studies are even suggesting that consuming high amounts of cucumbers could lead to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. Let's dive deeper into the research.
Impact on DNA and detox processes.
Studies have shown that cucurbitacins can have a devastating impact on our DNA, causing damage that can potentially lead to cancer cell growth. And it gets worse. Other researchers found that cucumbers contain another compound called lignans, which can interfere with our body's natural ability to rid itself of toxins. So, not only are we increasing our risk of cancer, but we're also hindering our body's natural detox processes. Yikes.
Cucumber skin and organic concerns.
What's even more concerning is that the highest concentrations of cucurbitacins are found in the skin of the cucumber. So if you're like me and always leave the skin on, you might be doubling down on the potential risks. And it gets even worse. Some organic cucumbers have been found to have even higher levels of these toxic compounds. So even if you're trying to do the right thing by choosing organic, you might still be exposing yourself to these risks.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, while cucumbers might seem like a harmless addition to your salad, the research is starting to tell a different story. It's time to take a closer look at what we're putting in our bodies and start making informed choices about our food.